Everyone, welcome to Stack Developers YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use SQLite with Laravel 11. So this is the quick and easy setup guide that we are going to follow. See, we are going to follow these instructions that you can find under video. So let's start working on this one. So first, in the first step, we are going to install the Laravel 11. Okay, so this is the latest Laravel up till now. And for installing the Laravel 11, you need to install the XAMPP and Composer first of all. I hope that you have already installed the XAMPP as well as the Composer. You can install any Apache server like the WAMP or XAMPP according to your operating system. Okay, you can install the latest version of XAMPP. Okay, as per your operating system, and also you are required to install the Composer as well. Okay, so this one also you are required to install the Composer from this website as per your operating system. Okay, so after installing the XAMPP as well as the Composer, I have just run my XAMPP here. It's in my D drive, you can see, and I able to run it. Okay, so it's running. Okay, so now the next thing is that I'm going to install the Laravel 11. Okay, with this command. Okay, so this is the command that I'm going to run. This is the composer command. See, that's why we need to install the composer. That is the dependency tool. That is the package tool that you are required to install. Okay, so after installing this, so we are going to run this command to install the Laravel 11. So we are going to do this thing right straight away. Okay, so here I'm going to uh, run in my shell. See, shell is here. So I'm going to click on shell. I will go to my docs folder. Okay, so after going to the docs folder, I am going to run this command here, and the project name, we are going to select one project name here. So I'm going to select something like I'm going to make it like SQLite, Laravel 11 SQLite. Okay, Laravel 11 SQLite. Okay, so this is our project name. So I'm going to install the Laravel 11. It will take a few minutes in for installing in my Windows 11 laptop. Okay, so you can install in your Mac operating system if you are having Mac. So in the first step, we are going to install the Laravel 11. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, you can see that it installs a lot of packages that are required for Laravel 11, and now it's almost done. You can see 59 packages suggestions were added by new dependencies. So SQLite comes as default for Laravel 11. So we must know that how to use SQLite for our Laravel 11 projects. Do you want to remove the existing VCS? So we are going to enter Y. Okay, so right now we are not required. So see, so it has been installed, you can see, and also it has created the tables. And so I'm going to open the project in Sublime and will show you that it connects with SQLite as default. Okay, so I'm going to show you the project here that we have just make it ready, and that is the Laravel 11 SQLite. Okay, so here it is. So I'm going to open the .env file. So you can check here that it is DB connection is SQLite here. Okay, so Laravel 11 comes with SQLite as default. So so it already generated three tables in SQLite. Here you can see here in our commands, you can see here the three tables automatically gets created. If in case it does not create these tables, then here is the command that we are required to run here. We are required to run the PHP Artisan migrate command so that it will create these tables. But now it is not required. Okay, so to open the SQLite, we are required to install the SQLite C in our operating system. Okay, so here is the good option. Like we can install the DB browser for SQLite. You can search here and you can install it. Okay, so it's really good option, and you can go here, click on download, and here you can install for Windows or for a Mac operating system. Okay, so I have installed it for Windows. I have installed this standard installer for 64-bit. My laptop is 64-bit. It is having 64-bit Windows, so I have installed this standalone package and install it. Okay, so after that we can able to open it as well. DB browser SQLite. So here we can able to open this. Okay, and now see, it automatically creates one file here. That file name is database.sqlite. Here you can see it's the database.sqlite, but you can't able to read it. Okay, but it's there in database folder, database.sqlite, and in this file see, all the tables will get created, all the data, all your database will be managed in this file. Okay, so here see, I'm going to open this one, and here what I'm going to do, here I'm going to just this open this file here from here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open this project here, and this file XAMPP SU docs and Laravel SQLite, Laravel 11 SQLite database, and database.sqlite. Okay, so here you can see all the tables have come up here, and here we want to view the users table, and there is no entry so far. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to add the default login register in our Laravel 11 website by installing the Laravel UI package that contains the authentication scaffolding. Okay, so we are going to run this command, composer required Laravel UI. So it will install the UI package. After that, we will generate the default login register so that we can able to check the CRUD functionality with Laravel 11, and we can able to generate the data in our SQLite database. Okay, so we are going to run this command. Here I'm going to run composer require. First, I need to go inside my folder, and that is folder name is it is Laravel 11 SQLite. Okay, so now I'm going to run this command, composer required Laravel UI. I'm going to install this package, so it will take few seconds. So this package has been installed. You can see. Okay, so after that, see, you can also check. We can open the composer.json, and here you can see the package has been installed, Laravel UI package. Okay, so after this, we are going to run the PHP UI view auth. Okay, we are going to run this one to create the default login register for our Laravel 11 website. Okay, we are going to run this one, and it will ask you that it is going to replace the controller.php. We are going to click yes. We are going to enter yes. Okay, so it has been done. After that, see, make sure that you will install the node.js for your operating system. Okay, so this is the another website that you are required to open, and you are required to install the node.js. You will get the pre-built installer here for your Windows laptop, and you can have the instructions for installing for your Mac operating system, Linux. Okay, so after installing this, then make sure that you will install the npm for your project. Okay, so here also we are going to install the npm for our project. So it will take few seconds once again, as we are required to uh, generate the default login register for our project. Okay, so it has been done, you can see, and now finally we are going to run this one, npm run build. Okay, so it has been done as well. So we are going to run the project now, PHP Artisan serve. So our project is now running. I'm going to open now our new project that is built with Laravel 11 and SQLite as database. So we are going to check the CRUD functionality. Okay, we are going to register the new user and we'll see that so there is some issue. So we're going to check and we'll resolve this one. Okay, so one more thing we are required to do here. Uh, I'm going to once again, I'm going here and we will right click and here show more option. I'm going to run in my git bash or you can run in the command prompt. I have the git bash. I'm going to run here npm run. As here I'm going to check npm run build and npm. There is the other commands. I'm going to run this one. Uh, Here I'm going to run this one npm run dev. Okay, so I think it will resolve our issue. We need to run this one. Okay, it has been done, and now I'm going to check. I'm going to refresh. Okay, so now it is running. This is our Laravel 11 project. You can see the login and register is automatically is now you can see. Okay, I'm going to register the new user from here, and let's see if it will work. So here I'm going to register the new user here with Gupta. Any email ID like this is my email ID. Okay, so I'm going to enter 123456 and password is 123456. Okay, so I'm going to click on register and we'll see if it will register. Okay, so it requires the password with 8 characters. Okay, 12345678. Click on register and we able to register. Now you can see that we able to log in after the registration, and I'm going to check now in our database, that is the SQLite database. Okay, so here I will go I'm going to here will go in the table once again. Okay, so here table structure here in users and going to click on browse table, and here you can see the new entry has come up with the Amit Gupta name and email is the Amit programmer at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, so you can see the password is in hash, so it is not readable. Okay, it is in secured form, and but we able to register the new user here. Okay, so you can able to register any number of users. One more user I'm going to register now, and after that I'm going to log in as well. Okay, like I'm going to now register the another user, John at the rate of yopmail.com. 12345678 1234567 Okay, click on register once again and we able to register here, and you can see the new entry must be here as well. We are going to refresh it. So I'm going to click on here once again and here click on browse table once again, and here you can see the two entries now, Amit Gupta and John Singh. Okay, and now we will try to log in. Like if I will log out and we will try to log in once again, and John at the rate of yopmail.com. Password is 123456 and click on login. And now we are going to see, okay, so password is 12345678. Click on login. So it will work fine. So finally, we able to connect our Laravel 11 project with the SQLite database. Okay. So the SQLite will work like this. We can do the full project, full e-commerce project in with the SQLite database with the Laravel 11 and SQLite database in which you are required to make your own controllers, own models. Okay, and and you are going to create your tables as well with migration. So this is the simple project, simple e-commerce project, basic e-commerce project you can easily do with the SQLite. Okay, if you want to learn, if you want to know how to do that, you can surely join as a member, and will ask me your queries, and you are most welcome to subscribe this tech developers YouTube channel. Okay, we have already done the Laravel e-commerce project, Laravel 11 e-commerce project with MySQL database, with MongoDB. Okay, and with the PostgreSQL as well. Okay, so we have also done the multi-vendor e-commerce series. So you are just required to subscribe these tech developers YouTube channel, and always you can join the channel to get the complete source code of the e-commerce website, of the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.